guys, today we are in Baguio and here is foggy. Look at it. Look. Kasi flaggy kasi ano yun? Ano yun? Tsaka andito po kami sa ano na kami. Tsaka
What's that?
Pagi Avengers, oh.
Avenger, and this is Avenger,
Guys, tala picture.
and
Ano?
this is Nest Goldman Lab.
O bakit ba tayo ay nag-smile si Kelly?
Okay. And there's a sign said, and this. So, what happened to this tree? It's broken. Okay, guys. So, sure. Mga restaurant. Tinan mo. Flaggy dito.
Vlogger kami.
Halika mo, vlogger.
Matthew!
Halika mo naman, vlogger.
Bye!